Hey designer, Alex here. Welcome to this course about Inception design system for Adobe XD. If you want to check out the full playlist with all the videos, make sure to click here or to click down in the description below. Link is going to be there. So enjoy this lesson. So that's it. You reached the end of this class. Thank you so much for purchasing Inception design system. I truly hope it's going to bring you a lot of fun projects in the future, and it's going to earn you a lot of money in the future, because I truly believe in my heart of hearts that it's amazing, it's exceptional what I created, and I truly believe that it's going to revolutionize your design process, and it's going to speed it up even more. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for purchasing. If you have any feedback, make sure to send me an email through my website. I'm going to respond as fast as possible. If you have any feedback about Inception design system, as I said in the previous video about updates and versioning, make sure to send it to me, because I truly believe that we can create something amazing right here, and this community aspect is what's going to drive me to push these updates even more and to create this Inception design system to be the best possible product out there. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for purchasing. Good luck with it. I wish you all the luck in the world to create amazing projects, and I wish you creativity to create amazing projects using Inception design system. Take care. Thank you for watching this video. To watch the previous video, make sure to click right here, or to check out full playlist for this entire course, make sure to click down in the description below. Link is going to be down there.